This is Doyle from Cybertech, and today I will show you how to install PGWatch with Docker on Ubuntu. Before starting, make sure you have Docker installed. To pull the PGWatch repo, type git clone https://github.com/postgresql/pgwatch.git. And then cd pgwatch / to enter into the repo. To start the installation process, enter the following command: docker compose -f docker /docker compose.yml up detach and press enter. Now you'll have to be patient because it might take a while. After installing, you can open your browser and search for localhost with the port 3000. There you go. You have successfully installed PGWatch. Thank you for watching. And if you have further questions, please reach out to sales@cybertech-postgresql.com.